Welcome, you're watching English with Akram, and today we have debate once again. And topic is that study through mobile phone is better or study through book is better. So, which medium of study is better? So, this team will speak in the favor of mobile, that study through mobile phone is better, and this team will speak in the favor of book, that study through is book better. So,
So, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. My name is Mantasha. I'm very delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you all and share my views on a topic that is learning through the mobile phone versus learning from the books. Which mode is better? Well, I personally believe that learning from the books is far better than the learning from the mobile phone. First of all, if I talk about this era, so what is happening in our generation, that everyone who is working nowadays, whatever he is working, I'm not talking about a specific work, anything if a person is doing, so he wants interest in that. If I talk about a student, so every student wants interest in the learning, in the study. So at the time he will study when he will get interest in the study. So I want to talk about this. So what happens whenever we study from the books, we read the book. Whenever we start reading books, so what happens that our lips are pronouncing the words, the are pronouncing the words line by line, our lips are reading, and our eyes is concentrated to the words, that whatever is written on the books. Our eyes as our eyes are looking on the at the book. But uh, but if I talk about, sir, please. No, sir. Okay. So but where is my mind? My mind is in the imaginary world. Whatever is written in my chapter, whatever is written in my on my book. So I'm thinking that there is an imagination is going on in my mind. I'm thinking all the things. So this type of the interest we get whenever we learn from the books. You may speak.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ishan, and today we are debating here on a supercalifragilistic and expialidocious topic. The topic is method of learning. Learning through screen is better or learning through books is better. In my personal point of view, learning through screen is much better than learning through books. First of all, she said that we whenever we read through the books, I'm reading here consistently, I'm reading and I'm imagining. I would say simple thing, what is the need of imagining? When you have a screen, you have mobile phone, you can go and you can directly watch the animation video. You don't need to imagine. You even that imagination you can forget, but the video that you will watch in your phone, animation video, that you will not forget. First, second thing I would like to mention about my point, that is about access to global resources. If you learn through the screen, so you have access to global resources, like you can watch any, you can visit any global website by which you want to learn. You can watch any online course globally, whichever you want to learn, or you can join any university. Whatever you want to do, you can do globally. Okay, it has no limit. But book language has limits. Like I have an example of Andrew Tate. You might have heard about him. He owns a university, Tate's University. By sitting in India or by sitting anywhere in the world, I can have access to that university where I can learn multiple skills. But can this be done by any book, by any offline method? Obviously not. And next thing I would like to mention about the online learning through screen is you can share your project, work, notes easily. But this thing cannot be done with books. If I have notes, I will have to give to my friend, then I won't be able to study. Okay, but through the screen we can share the things easily.
Okay, as you're talking about this thing that we can learn through the screen easily, but what about the experience which we get learning from the books? Whenever we learn from the books, we read the books. So what happens that we get the experience, that what whenever we get doubt, whenever we get a query, so we can solve at the
Okay,
time.
they are saying if we study through the screen, our thinking power will decrease, nothing will be there will be waste of time. So here I want to say that suppose I am studying through the phone, I am solving a maths question and I have a doubt, what will I do? They are saying don't do anything, first use your mind. Don't do I have not studied any exercise, how will I do that, how will I solve this question? I won't be able to. Then I'll go to the mobile phone and I can search and I will try to understand that question. It's not like that I will copy from there. No, I will try to understand by thinking, by learning that how this question is solved. My mind power will increase, thinking power will increase. I don't know which logic they are using. Your thinking power will decrease. There will be nothing. I don't know what do they want to say. Now I would like to answer to Alishba. She said, Meta AI. I want to give example of Meta AI. Suppose you have a doubt and you ask from Meta AI. It gives advanced English that you cannot understand. First, why Ideal Academy is available here at Mustafabad that you cannot understand the advanced English. First, okay. Second, you cannot understand advanced English of Meta AI. YouTube is not there. Other options are also there. Google Translator is also there. You can visit that also. And that's it.
You know that I was saying that I was talking about difficult words. I was not talking about the difficult language. Means we can understand language, but words we can't understand.
So Google Translator is there, YouTube is there. There are ways. These are just excuses which you are doing,
Oh
which you are
my
making
God,
here. Okay. Next, I would like to answer to Safia. Just before a while, she said, if you have physical books, though you see them, you feel like studying. How? Still in my life, I have come in 11th class. It never happened with me, not at all. That I saw books and I feel like from the heart, from the bottom of my heart, oh, there are books, I should study. Never it happens. But by seeing the phone, it happens that, yeah, I should use that. Okay, it happens.
Okay, as you said that you when you see mobile phone, then you feel like that you should use. So same thing will happen with you if you read books daily. That yeah, I should read books, I should get knowledge from books, then I will achieve my goal.
Why should we read? That's the biggest question. Why should we read?
Why
listen,
should not we
listen.
read?
I'm telling why should not we read? Because there is no deep knowledge is not available there. Like in 10th class SST book, there is a Andolan written in a SST book, Savine Avagya Andolan. It is explained how it started, how it ended. But if you go to internet, YouTube, you will get more knowledge about that which is not available in book. What would you say about this?
Means listen, one if you are that students who don't study whole year before exam, this so one shot and that thing that they will on top.
So that's
Like this
beneficial.
you are
That's
doing.
beneficial. Listen, suppose I
And
didn't
they
study.
don't- they have-
Wait. I'm a student. I didn't study anything whole year. Okay, I didn't open my book. I have not any kind of notes. So at that time, mobile phone learning through screen is much better for me. My
Yeah,
whole year will be
that's what
set.
they have more expectation, that's why they don't get and that's why they get stressed.
Listen. Just by watching a one short video, my whole year will be saved. So that's beneficial.
Your whole
That's
year
what-
will be safe
okay,
according
she's
to you.
debating
You
your
have
asset.
wasted your whole year.
Okay, I'm not. I do not agree with you when you said that learning through the mobile phone will be more beneficial in enhancing our thinking skill and all. I would like to give an example. Whenever nowadays it is very easy to see, easy to see that mostly people go to the grocery shop and they ask to the shopkeeper that give me this, give me that, 1 kg, 2 kg. That after that, what they do, what they after that, what do they say to the shopkeeper? They say to the shopkeeper, please tell me the how much I have to pay you. Okay, and sometimes shopkeepers in the return say to you that calculate this is in this cost this cost this. So what they just take the mobile phone and start to calculate that, oh, this much plus this plus this. It happens. So like this, our thinking power is really decreasing. How can you say this?
Okay, they are using a logic here that I go to the grocery shop and shopkeeper says to me, calculate how much you have to pay. So at that time we use calculator and that is decreasing our mind power, thinking power and all. I would say simply, it does not happen with, like suppose you have bought a ghadi sabun and you have bought a surf excel and shopkeeper will say to you, how much you have to pay, and you will be confused. Oh, how much I have to pay? Nothing like this happens. It happens when you have bought a lot of things.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm
Like
talking about that.
a lot of things. You tell me what is 73. You tell me what is the answer of 73 into 73. 74 into 74. At that time you can use the calculator because it is difficult to solve in mind. Okay.
Okay. If I talk about the great personality, which always who always say that learning from the books is far better than learning from the mobile phone. So I would like to mention here name the Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, has spoken about the need of balance in technology use, suggesting the excessive mobile phone use can be determined to learning. Means you can think that this much great personality is saying this thing. So means hasn't he has any kind of thing?
Just one thing. She gave an example of Bill Gates,
Yeah.
founder of Microsoft.
Yes, of
What is
course.
Microsoft? It is an operating system in computers and laptops.
Yeah,
Means
of course.
screen. He is promoting this thing. He invented the Microsoft.
Nevertheless,
and he
he
is
is
saying,
saying-
so why are you believing? Why are you believing? On the one hand, he is saying read the books. On the other hand, he is making other things which are distracting. So it means he is speaking against himself. How can you believe that person when he is speaking himself against?
Okay.